What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I wanted to bring you a very short, very quick video where I am going to test out this product that was sent to me called Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Waterless wash, shine, and protect all in one bottle. And I'm absolutely in love with the product. You're going to use these microfibers. So you're going to spray it onto your rag. You're going to wipe down one section at a time. And then as soon as you're done wiping it down, give it a few seconds. And then you're going to hit it with the dry rag and wipe it off. It's that simple. And here's the outcome. As you can see, we have dirty here, clean here. So this half of the car I've already treated. This half of the car has not been done yet. Look how dirty this is. I mean, you can see the water spots. It's absolutely disgusting. Now, when you get back here, it's already been done. From here over, the car has been treated, washed, and protected with this Fortify Shine Armor treatment. The car looks absolutely phenomenal considering it hasn't been washed at all. No DAs, no buffing, no nothing. Take a look at this. We're gonna sit this stuff right here where it's dirty, and I'm gonna let it go, and you're gonna see it just wants to fall off. Now, if you take it and stick it on the side that's clean, you see how it slides around. Like, I will have to sit here and hold it with my finger, and it falls right off, whereas right here you can just sit it down. I did try the product. I think it's a great product. It absolutely works. It does exactly what it says it's supposed to do. Let me show you how it works. So you just spray this, and you take the dirty area just like this. Look at that. But you saw we were dirty over here. I'll take the same thing and stick it right here. Look at the difference. The product works. I highly recommend it. The stuff does work great.